People, so we are inside Apollo, and this is as you can see right ahead, it's a swimming pool. Basically this is a physiotherapy center, but this is in Apollo, within the Apollo premises. I'm here because my child is part of this astro turf. He goes for his football classes here, and this looks very nice. Yeah, I mean, it has a very hill station vibes. So I'm so glad I'm here, and this is a cute place to be, really. So for any physiotherapy needs, this is the place one should come. It is within Apollo. It's almost next to the UR Life Cafe. So on that note, that's my kid emerging. On that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe. He changes into his football gear right here.